OLDHAM Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday, when? The 8th of July 2025, where? We all met at Uppermill Cricket Club, car park. What? Working on the Riverside Footpath, FP242 Saddleworth, and the unmarked footpath leading up to the cricket club. Strimmed and cut back trees, cleared vegetation, cleared the steps down from Carr Lane. Who? 6 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Keith, Neil and George. A big thank you to all the volunteers, and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.